Who's ready to make some pizza? You are. Hey, it's Lindsay, the DIY Felt Foodie, and today we'll be customizing all of these pizzas with whatever toppings you'd like. You'll need felt for the crust, the sauce, and the cheese, different ones for the toppings, and of course, cardboard and hot glue, because that's what makes these so dang strong. I know, because my kids have been trying to destroy these ones for 3 years without any success. Join me for a pizza party. If you've watched the other videos on my page, you'll be very familiar with my method. And if not, what are you doing? Get over there and watch those. In all honesty though, this video is faster than the others and there are less close-ups, but it's all the same method, so you should be able to catch on with that. There's no pattern or specific shape that you need for this pizza. You can make them whatever size you'd like, but it does help to round out the corners when you're sticking the felt on. So just cut out some triangles and then you'll use an extra little bit of cardboard for the crust so that it's elevated. Just like with my other felt food, I want everything to be smooth and I don't want any ridges from the hot glue. So after you put the glue on, make sure to rub that around. I just slide it around on the table and it makes everything nice and smooth, and then you don't have any hard glue ridges underneath anything. So just go ahead and glue all of these down, cut out your triangles, and you do want excess felt on the sides of all the shapes just so that it wraps around the edges. And make sure to stick a lot of glue on the edge of the crust bit so that it sticks fully. When you're ready to glue the sides, put tons of glue on there. You do not want any of these seams opening up and exposing the cardboard. And you need to do extra because the little wavy bits on the cardboard, some of the glue does go down inside that. So put lots of glue around and then continue pinching and pushing all the way around until it's cool. Once things have cooled, you'll want to go around and tug and pull on all the edges just to make sure there's no openings or holes. If you see any, stick a little glue in there and pinch it again. Then when those are cool, just trim everything out. I do it about 1/4 of an inch away from the cardboard. You might be wanting to skimp on the sauce just because you won't see very much of it, but I'm telling you, it just adds to the pizza and you will be able to see it from the sides. So go ahead, make a triangle shape-ish for the sauce. Make some wobbly edges, make them all a little different, some up on the crust, some down on the sides, and just glue those on. I do half at a time so that I'm never dealing with a floppy piece of felt covered in hot glue. Like, too many burns, don't do it. You'll do the same thing with the cheese layer. Just cut a rough triangle and then some wobbly edges. Make sure to have some of the sauce peeking out, some not, and glue that on. Now it's the fun part, toppings! Make whatever you want. Just have fun with this. Let your kids choose, let them help. Don't give them the hot glue gun, but I mean, let them design their own pizza. We have so many different ones at home. Nothing is the same. My kids like to play restaurant a lot, and that way we can order different pizza. And yes, we're big fans of pineapple. I know some people think it doesn't belong on pizza, but we love it. It's the best. The topping pieces are so tiny, so only do a little bit of hot glue on there because you've worked so hard to make this amazing pizza. The last thing you want is blobs of hot glue poking out from underneath the ingredients. So take your time, make it look good. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you've made these, let me know in the comments, and also let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye!